Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Here on the Solana chart, we're still working on that yellow scenario. In my last video yesterday, I explained to you that we're likely in wave 3 to the downside. You see it there in yellow on the chart. Wave 3 of C, and it's a very, let's say, extended move down now. But we have now reached, or nearly reached, the $120 level, which I highlighted as next downside target, which became quite clear as a target with a break below $131. If you watched previous videos, then you were very much aware of this critical level that needed to hold for further upside to materialize, which was, however, low confidence because the price could not break above any of the signal lines that would have indicated some upside. So trend is still down. $120 has now been reached as the next target. You see that here. And my assumption is this is part of the internal third wave. So, I mean, I've run out of wave degrees. I can try to, also for educational purposes, I can try to squeeze in a wave degree. Just so, and then we can say, hey, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be the fifth of a third. But again, this degree of micro counting, it doesn't make much sense, but you know, we'll just do it here for educational purposes as well. So that, you know, that leaves us with some more room for further downside. It would now take a break above a certain Fibonacci resistance for this fourth wave to indicate that a low of sorts has formed. So what we can do, we can track here the length of the third wave. So we take the Fibonacci retracement tool, we measure the length of the currently running third wave to the downside. The aggressiveness of the move down looks like it, or that confirms it's still part of a third wave probably. And then we're tracking certain Fib levels. So what are the Fib levels that are relevant for the move down, or let's say the fourth wave bounce actually. Typically for a fourth wave like that, it's the 50% retracement. So this is the area between $129 and $135. So only a break above $135, would indicate a low is in. Just above that, and we continue to lower the levels, but that's just like a trailing stop. So now break above 135, followed by a break above that last swing high at $140. That's how we track the downtrend now, the local downtrend. Now that we've broken out of the range to the downside, $120 is next support, as I said. Then if we go to the 1 hour chart, you see that there is some more support there. Let's go to the left. Here, structural support around the 120, but then if we go further to the left, $110 area as well, which is the swing low from August, which could easily be tested if we get another 4-5 pattern, okay? So that's pretty much it. Downside pressure still remains high. No sign that wave 5 of 3 to the downside has finished. Wave 4 bounce could start at any point. Then one more low in this fifth wave could easily happen and take us down to $110. What's the next level below 110? It's the $103 level. So overall, we've only just broken below the 28th of February low, which means there could be a little bit more downside, obviously. And I assume this is an A, B, C structure because these subwaves here, so far they have been corrective. Wave 1 was clearly a 3-wave move. Wave 3 as well, and then the wave 5 should also be an ABC structure. I can actually change the wave degree of that. C wave, like that. Exactly. So that's how it should be. And that's how we track currently the ongoing wave 4 correction. As I said, does it have to be a wave 4? Could it be something more bearish? Of course, you know, that's why we talk about the bearish potential on the daily chart pretty much every day. Let me open that quickly and we will take a look at the daily to see if anything changed. It gives you a good idea of where things could be going. And at the moment you see that the low is not in yet. We're still forming another low. I talked about that yesterday, that this seems quite likely, at least no low confirmed. And what we do here on the daily chart, we can adjust our resistance area. That's resistance on the daily chart. It's now $188.38 to $265.59. And the move down could also be an A wave of a much larger correction. So these are the two scenarios. In the yellow count, we could easily get another high to $360. But, well, in the short term, trend is still down, but we'd like to see from here a reaction so that either wave B starts in white or wave 5 in yellow. So in both of these scenarios, let's say short term, I'd like to see a recovery, and then the structure of the rally will tell us the difference between, is it white or is it the yellow count? So yeah, that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, make sure that you join the MCO membership. Here you get additional updates also for Solana every single day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.